So today we are going to see about that slope. What is a slope? The measure of steepness is called slope or gradient. So if the slope from formula is the angle of inclination. The angle of inclination, that is a measure of steepness. If the angle of inclination is given means how to find the slope. What formula here we used? If 2 points are given, then how to find the slope. And after that we can find out to find the equation of a straight line. Okay. So now if 2 points are given, that is x1, y1 and x2, y2 and x2, y2. If 2 points are given, then slope is equal to, slope that is denoted as m. So slope is equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. Okay. Then that angle of inclination, if theta, that is angle of inclination, if theta is given, then slope m is equal to tan theta. Slope m is equal to tan theta. So you know the values of the tan theta. Suppose if it is given, that is the slope of a vertical line is undefined. So tan 0 degree is equal to 0. Then tan 30 degree equal to 1 by root 3. Then tan 45 degree is equal to 1. Then tan 60 degree is equal to root 3. Then tan 90 degree is equal to undefined. If it is a straight line, then we cannot, vertical line. If it is one vertical line, then we cannot find out the slope. Okay. So here it is undefined. So for this values alone here we used to find the slope. So in that exercise, then another one condition also there. If slopes of parallel lines and perpendicular lines. See here, slopes of parallel lines. Slopes of parallel lines. So two lines are said to be parallel, then their slopes must be equal. Two lines are parallel. Then m1 is equal to m2. Two lines. So you take one line as m1 and another line as m2. So here you see if the two lines are parallel, m1 and m2 are parallel means then m1 is equal to m2. Same like that, if two lines are perpendicular, if two lines are perpendicular, then m1 into m2 is equal to minus 1. Their product is minus 1. So here parallel means m1 is equal to m2. Then if it is perpendicular means m1 into m2 equal to minus 1. So using this we can find out the value. The same another one thing is that the slope of the line is m means slope of the line perpendicular is minus 1 by n. Slope of the line parallel is m, then slope of the line perpendicular is minus 1 by m. So slope of the line is parallel, that is m is parallel, then slope of the line perpendicular is minus 1 by m. So in that exercise 5.2 we can do the sums. See, what is the slope of a line? The first question it is given. What is the slope of a line? So we can find the slope of a line whose inclination is. So here that inclination is given. Whose inclination is? First one it is given as 90 degree. So you take whose inclination. So theta is given, that is 90 degree. If theta is given means how will you find the slope? Slope is equal to tan theta. Slope you denoted as m. So m is equal to tan 90 degree. So tan 90 degree means that value is undefined. So if it is 90 degree, so here you write it is undefined. See the second subdivision. The theta is given as 0 degree. So here you write theta is equal to 0 degree. Then you write the formula m is equal to tan theta. That is equal to tan 0 degree. That is equal to 0. See the next one. What is the inclination of a line whose slope is 0 and subdivision 1? Here you have to find the theta we want to find, inclination. Then slope is given. So slope is equal to, the first subdivision, slope is equal to 0. That slope, what is that formula? Tan theta. So that m is equal to, okay, tan theta. This tan theta is given as 0. So you find out for what value of theta, you will get the value as 0. So tan theta is equal to tan 0 degree. This implies theta is equal to 0 degree. Okay. Then second subdivision, it is given that 1. So m is equal to 1. M means tan theta. So tan theta is equal to 1. So for what value the tan, you will get this 1 means tan 45. So you write here as tan 45 degree. So tan theta is equal to tan 45. This implies theta is equal to 45 degree.